for a change, honey. Wouldn't it be funny if each night I gave you a new and funny name and made you call it when my table was ready? Every night we could say, what a clever, funny game. You're such a beautiful hostess. You're a pretty You're a beautiful hostess. You're a pretty hostess. I'm so much more than a name, but what else can I say? And how to say it when my table is ready? Could I have some more bread? I could watch you all night and day, softly saying how many. How I hate a quick 5-minute wait and give my table to them. I'm not that hungry anyway. You're such a beautiful hostess. You're a pretty You're a beautiful hostess. You're a pretty hostess. Hostess. Pretty